What if I told you an ancient city had running water over 2,000 years ago? In ancient Rome, entire cities were powered by flowing water without electricity. They built massive aqueducts that carried water for miles, delivering fresh water directly into homes, baths, and fountains. Some buildings even had indoor plumbing and early versions of toilets. This wasn't basic engineering, it was a complete water system. And after the fall of Rome, much of this knowledge disappeared. It would take over 1,000 years to reach this level again. So how did they build it, and why was it lost?